The asteroid Bennu has a 1 in 2,700 chance of hitting Earth in 2182.
A gas giant exoplanet is so close to its star apart, stretched into an egg shape.
Over 6,000 exoplanets have been confirmed as of 2025, and there are thousands more candidates. The number of worlds grows every year.
In 2020, a magnetar in our own Milky Way emitted the first known fast radio.
Some exoplanets orbit not one but two suns simultaneously. Others orbit no star at all.
NASA's asteroid sample from Bennu contained amino acids and nucleobases, both the raw building blocks of
Chile's Atacama Desert is so dry it's used to test Mars equipment. In some areas, no rain has fallen for decades.
Tardigrades can survive being frozen, boiled, dry, irradiated, and
The mysterious bloop sound detected in '97, once blamed on a giant unknown creature.
Tanzania's Lake Natron has a pH of 10.5 and 50-degree water, yet 2.5 million flamingos breed there and only there.
In 2023, explorers found tube worms, clams and crustaceans living nearly 10 kilometers deep in the...
Over 90% of the ocean lies below 200 meters. Humans have 0.
The deepest fish ever found was discovered at 8,336 meters.
About 500,000 earthquakes happen on Earth every year. 100,000 are felt by humans.
Scientists found a living bacterium 2.5 kilometers underground that had been dormant for 3 million years, surviving on tiny amounts of energy.
Between 15 and 23 billion tons of bacteria and archaea live deep underground.
Before some earthquakes, people report mysterious glowing lights, orbs, and balls of fire in the sky. Science still can't fully explain them.
life has been found thriving at 122 degrees Celsius, in conditions that would kill most everything. Earth's inner core is about 6,000 degrees Celsius, as hot as the surface of the sun, but it's solid iron.
NASA found 7 Earth-sized planets orbiting one nearby star, and 3 of them are in the habitable zone where liquid water could exist.
Magnetars have magnetic fields 10 trillion times stronger than a refrigerator magnet, strong enough to rip iron atoms from your blood miles away.
The Earth is constantly humming, a low-frequency vibration that seismologists have detected in the crust even when there are no earthquakes.
Earth loses hundreds of tons of its atmosphere into space every single day. Lightweight gases escape the planet's gravity and are gone forever.
In 2019, a comet from another star system flew through our solar system, traveling at 177,000. Voyager 1, launched in 1977, is the farthest human-made object from Earth. On one exoplanet, it rains molten glass sideways at 5,400 miles per hour.
Scientists have confirmed over 6,000 planets outside our solar system, and thousands more are waiting to be confirmed.
Astronomers have found a pitch-black planet that reflects less light than coal, making it arguably the darkest known world in the entire universe.
Mars's Olympus Mons is almost 3 times the height of Mount Everest.
Mars's Canyon Valles Marineris is over 10 times longer than Earth's Grand Canyon, stretching 4,000 km across the Martian surface.
One lake in Venezuela experiences near-constant lightning, stormy skies on 294 out of...
Mars has reddish streaks on its slopes that contain hydrated salts, the strongest evidence yet that liquid water flows on Mars today. Some thunderstorms are powerful enough to emit gamma rays that would give a passing airplane the equivalent of a...
The dwarf planet Ceres has mysterious bright spots that are salt deposits left by briny water seeping up from inside the planet.
High above thunderstorms, ghostly red sprites and blue jets flash for milliseconds last night, reaching up to 55.
NASA detects about 500 gamma-ray bursts from Earth's own thunderstorms every single day.
Pluto has fields of razor-sharp methane ice blades as tall as skyscrapers, stretching for hundreds of miles across its frozen surface.
Saturn's moon Enceladus shoots geysers of water 300 miles into space from its south pole.
Saturn's North Pole has a perfect hexagon, a 13,000-mile-wide jet stream shaped like a...
Jupiter's moon Europa and Saturn's moon Enceladus both hide vast global oceans under their wings. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a storm so massive it could swallow the entire Earth and has been...
Jupiter's moon Io has hundreds of active volcanoes shooting lava fountains tens of kilometers into the sky, visible from Earth.
When the universe was born, it was almost perfectly smooth, with only 0.
In 2019, scientists photographed a black hole for the very first time in human history. It took a telescope the size of the entire Earth to do it.
85% of a galaxy's mass is invisible dark matter. We can't see it, touch it, or detect.
The afterglow of the Big Bang is still visible today, a near-perfect
68% of the entire universe is dark energy, an invisible force actively pushing the cosmos apart faster and faster every second. Which fact gave you the most goosebumps? Drop the number below. Subscribe Tade. The next drop hits even harder.